Here's how to create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. To begin, open your Excel spreadsheet that contains the data you want to analyze. In this example, we have a table with order information, including order ID and name. First, select the location where you want the pivot table to appear. Then, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and click on Pivot Table in the Tables section. A Create Pivot Table window will appear. Now, select the range of data you want to use. For example, you can select cells A1 to F16 from your datasheet. Once the range is selected, click OK. Excel will create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet. Next, go to the Pivot Table Fields panel on the right side. Check the boxes for the fields you want to use, such as order ID and name. By default, Excel may place both fields inside the Values section. To show each order ID as a separate row, drag the order ID field from the Values area into the Rows area. Now your pivot table will display each order ID along with the related information from your data. You can also rename the default row labels, heading to something more meaningful like Order ID. That's it. You've successfully created a pivot table in Excel to summarize and organize your data. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.